Have you ever wondered what it looks like when a rocket hits at the other end? Let's take a look now. Freeze it. Using an unmanned aerial system, we can safely view training from any angle. Let's take a look again. There are so many uses, from damage assessments, being able to visually check the ground, to observing weapons practices, synchronizing employment, observing dust signatures and road conditions, runway assessments, platform inspections, or observing movement in urban terrain. So these unmanned aerial systems are a perfect training companion in today's contemporary military. In the Army in motion, this is exactly what we need. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe and that bell, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now.